Hello and welcome to my channel Online Money Logics. Today I will tell you about earning $2,000 in a week while sitting at home. So, if you want to earn this much and that too working according to your own schedule, pay attention to my points. I know there is a lot of talk about online money making and many areas are quoted that can make you good money. From $100 a day to $600 a day, there is plenty of advice out there. My video is not about all those general possibilities. I am going to share with you some very specific points of action. All you really need is to try the method yourself. You will see for yourself that if you do exactly what I tell you to do in the video, you will truly be on your way to making $2,000 in a week. So, the first thing you need to do is start using Google. Yes, the largest search engine and very well-known Google. And by using Google, I want you to explore Google News. Well, many of you might be surprised, or yet many would have never used Google News. But now is the time to start exploring it with me. I will tell you later in my video about the benefits of exploring Google News. Okay, let's start this exploration together. Just type Google News and you will get news.google.com as top search result. Simply go to the website and you will have a home page full of news. But news is not what you want to get into. You need articles from different fields and you can make a choice from the header. Business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health are the major choices. Now here is the catch. Many people and channels out there will tell you two basic things to do, and that will become the foundation of your online money making from Google. The first thing they will tell you is to go to any section of Google News and pick up random articles of your choice. So, without having any information about a particular field, you can literally pick up anything from technology to health. The normal advice is select any article. Here comes the second step. It's time to spin the article. Go to spinbot.com and paste the selected article in the paste text section. Click on Basic Spin at the bottom of the section and you will get the rewritten text. Text with a spin or text that has been spun. Now you have a changed article, which you can publish at many sites and get paid. Does it really work this way? Let's find out. I took an article that was titled Recycled Financial Health Tips Are Still Good. Copied some of its content in spinbot.com and got a basic spin. You can see the result on screen, but I will point out a few things here. Original article asked to review your finances regularly, but the spinbot rephrased it to survey your funds routinely. Can you see the difference here? Review your finances is a correct phrase and gives a genuine advice. On the other hand, survey your funds is meaningless. Here's another point. The original article said, don't carry a balance on your credit card. The author tells you about benefits of not carrying a balance, and the title gives you a clear message. Now look at what Spinbot did to this phrase. The version of Spinbot said, try not to convey an equilibrium on your MasterCard. This completely changes the meaning of the sentence. These two examples are good enough to tell you what Spinbot does to a text. Imagine, what will Spinbot do to an article you want to publish? Can you be confident that such an article will be published and you will get paid for it? My answer is a big no. So all those people telling you to produce articles on your own this way and then sell them for a good price are not in their right minds. Here's what you really need to do in simple steps. First step is to pick up an area of your choice from Google News. Let's pick up health. Click on health and you get options of subtopics like medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, and fitness. Click on fitness and you will get news and articles on fitness. Scan through the contents and select an article of your choice. Let's say your pick of article is on slow aging. Read through the article and note down the tips. Secondly, go to the search bar on top of the page. You can search articles on slow aging by just typing in there. But instead, click on the drop-down arrow at the right corner of the search bar. It gives you 4 options to search. You can type in the exact phrase you are looking for, or you can even give the address of website. But the most important thing for you is the date option. You get 5 options for selecting a date. Select past week as option and click search. You get articles published on slow aging over the past week. Third step for you is to skim through the articles and select the most interesting ones or ones with the most information. I would say that you select 3 articles. Go through the articles and make notes about information and trends. Finally, you are ready to write an article of your own. You can use all the information you have gathered and you have plenty of content at hand. You can use an AI tool for assistance with structuring your article. But write it yourself. See my other video on using AI. Now you have an article on slow aging. So, it's time to look for avenues of publications. Many sites pay for blogs or articles. All you need is to select your area of interest and start writing. Don't follow the impractical tips blindly. You can easily make $70 to $200 per piece of writing. You have to see the relevance and might have to tweak the writing a little bit. FreelanceMom.com or SmartBlogger.com are just 2 sites to check out for making money through writing. Try MakeALivingWriting.com and you can see a number of platforms that pay for writings of different kind. Try for yourself. Find the right match and see what suits you the best. Start writing by using information from Google News. See the trends and know what the audience wants. Write 4 articles in a day, and on average, if you make $100 from an article, then it's $400 per day. For 5 working days of a week, you can earn $2,000. The key will be using Google News the right way and writing 3 to 4 articles per day. You can pick up high-paying niche areas and just start earning. So, this was my guide for earning $2,000 per week by simply using Google News in a smart manner. I am sure that if you follow these tips, you can even more money. After all, this is your time to earn money while sitting in your home. Stay tuned for my next video.